again. Oh no! Shiva wandered onto the tracks. You can help out by dragging. Well done! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! Which toy will you choose now? It's super easy to find your new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Great! Just slice or tap it to open. Which way do you want to go? Left leads. Well done! Left leads to the... Rusted bolts! The tunnel's collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you piece it all back together? Drag the broken pieces back onto their spot on the bridge. Super awesome! Good job! Whoa! We're always happy to help. Choose a new toy! Let's go find that toy! Which way do you want to go? Left lead. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square. Good job!